So just finished compression testing the engine, and the reason I'm compression testing it is because I wanted to make sure that the engine was still relatively healthy, because I'm going to be swapping the turbo on it. Now I didn't want to do all that extra work without checking to make sure that the engine was still somewhat okay. It looks like everything came back even across the board. Everything looks healthy. I wanted to redo a few things in the front. Also the thing with the coolant bottle, I don't really like that style coolant bottle, but we're going to be swapping a few things, cleaning up a lot, because the engine bay is really dirty. You can tell just from dailying it, just from driving it, it's just absolutely filthy. So I'm going to just do a deep clean on the whole thing and make sure that everything's good. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started.